Hello everyone, welcome back. In the evening we have here 7 extra puzzles in the additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, April the 25th, 2023. 7 puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus. We have 2 tectonics, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese suguru. And the last puzzle is a special one here, a binary puzzle with 35 printed digits. It's a record here, and these puzzles I'm not interested. So total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only half of them I will solve. Why? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Alright, the first one, 3 stars puzzle number 6333. Alright, and before I start I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 25 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But I cannot always say that, because sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 3 stars puzzle I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 1s, 2 2s, 2 3s, 4 4s. Alright. 1 2 3 4 5s. Alright. 2 6s, 3 7s, 2 8s, and 2 9s. So the 4s and 5s are a majority. Can I start with a 5? Yeah. We have a 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. On the last column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the middle row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 5, okay. Now I cannot continue with the 5. Need to wait. How about the 4 then? 4 4. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 4 4 4 4 4. Okay, cannot continue with the 4 now. Need to wait. Let me check for another digit. Oh, overlook these 7s, 4 7s. Alright, let me start with a 7 then. 7. Oh, we have a pair. No, not a pair. 7 in this column, 7 in the third column, so the column between. Second column, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7, okay. 7 7 7 7. Cannot continue with the 7 now. Need to wait. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left for the 6 should be there. The 8 in this third row, 8 in the second row, so the first row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square, one of the missing numbers is 8. We have 8 in the second column, so no 8 in these 3 boxes, so 1 box left for the 8 in this big square should be there. 8 8 8 8 8 8 8 8 8 6 1 5 Let me think. Need a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, 3, 6, 3, 6. Okay. 5, 5. Need a 1 here. Need a 1 there. We have a pair here. 1 and a 5. Yeah. Well, we have here 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this row, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here, or there. So now we have a pair. In this row, we have 4 missing numbers. 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 5. We have 1 and a 5 in this big square, so no 1 and a 5 in this box. We have a 1 and a 5 in this column, so no 1 and a 5 in that box. So no 1 and a 5 in this row. Could be here, could be there, as a pair. Alright. 1 and a 5. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. Okay. 8. So we have 1 there. 8. 8. Well, we have a pair again in this big square. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and 8. We have a 6 and an 8 in this column, so no 6 and 8. These 3 boxes, the 6 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 6 and 8, 6 and 8. So these 3 missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, 1, 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1, 4, 7, 1, 4, 7. And look, we have a 1 and a 7 in this row, so no 1 and a 7 in this box. 1 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 7, the 1 and a 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 1 goes there, so 1 digit left in this big square for number 4. 4 in this last row, 4 in the row above, so that row only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here for the middle column, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 4 should be there. This box is reserved for the 1 and the 5. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 4. 5, 5, okay. But the 7. We have a 7 in this column, 7 in the column next, so the last column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 1. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1, 8, 6, yeah. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, 7 and 8 is missing. 1, 6, 8, 1, 6, 8, 1, 6, 8, 1, 6, 8, and look, we have 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these 2 marks, so 1 box left for the 8 should be there, so the 1 and the 6 are left. Let me mark those. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next, on that column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the middle column, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the last row, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above, so that row, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the 3rd column, no 8 there. Here an 8 in the 2nd column, no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there, and all the 8s are used. I can't see. This is number 2, number 8. One box left in this big square for number 6. Right. This is also a 6. Okay. 6 6 6 6 6 6. Okay. 6 here. Need a 6 here. 2 and a 3. So 2 numbers left here in this big square. Those numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. So 1 is left in this column for number the 1, the 2 and the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers the 1, 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. We have a 3 in the first row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 2 goes there. 1, 6, and 9. It's also 7. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below, so last row, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the third column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1, 1, and 2 and 9. 2 and 9. 2 missing numbers in the first column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and 9. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 2, 2. 1, 1. Need a 5. Need a 6. 3, 9, 5. 3, 9, 5. 3, 4, 5, 6, and a 9. 9, 9. 9, okay. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the last row. No 9 in these 2 boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 in this box. Here 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column, so no 9 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square. Should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in that row, so no row between. The middle row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column, so the third column. Only 3 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the last row, no 9 there. So the 9 could be here, could be there. 9 in this column, 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So the column next, only 3 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the third row, no 9 there. Here 9 in the second row, no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 should be there. So 2 numbers left now in the first row. For number 1 and the 6, 1 and the 6. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes and there. 1 box left in this big square for number 6. 6, 6, okay. 6, 6. 2, 2, and 3, 2, 3. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Oh wait, 1 box. Two and a 3, okay. Here we have a pair. 2 and a 3 and 2 and a 3. So 1 digit left in this row for number. The 1, the 2, and the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next to only 2 places left for the 7 should be here. One there, we see a 7 in the second row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. Can I count? Yes. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 7. 2 and 3 also. 2 and 3 are missing in this big square. Let me mark those. Here we have a pair, 2 and 3. Here we have a pair. You have all the ones. 1, 1, 1, 5, 5. 2, 2. Here we have a pair 2 and a 3 also. 1, 2 is missing, 3 is missing. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 3 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 3. 2 and 3, we have a 2 now in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 3 goes there. 2 and 3, we have a 2 now in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 3 goes and there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the middle column, no 3 in these, a 3 box. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square should be there. 3 in the last row, 3 in a row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in the second column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 9, so the 9 goes here. Okay. So 2 numbers left in this row for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing, 5, 9, 5, and 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. We have a 6 in the last row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 numbers left in the middle column, the 1 and the 5 also. 1 and a 5 are missing in the middle column. We have a 5 in the third row, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 2 in the second row, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 5 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 1 in the third row, no 1 there. 1 should be here and 6 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Well, 3 stars, no. Then we give this a 2 stars. And we solve it again, and I like this one here, so we do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.